what it is? It's your boy Young, and you already know I'm back with another video, man. Hey, I know what y'all think this is. I know y'all think we finna truck, but actually, guys, we ain't doing no trucking today. Yeah, I'm working. Today is Friday, and by the way, it's my son's birthday. Happy birthday, Keyshawn, man. Everybody drop in the comments down below and tell your boy happy birthday. Tell Keyshawn happy 17th birthday. Today is his birthday. He turned 17 years old, man. It's time to work. It's time to get to it. It's time to get on your grind, because if you want to be anything in life, it start now. Let's go. Happy birthday to your son. But everybody, we ain't doing no trucking. I'm at work. This happened last Friday. Guys, I just needed a break. You see what I'm saying? I go so hard. I'm always grinding. I'm always out here doing my thing. And sometimes I just don't feel like trucking. I just don't feel like working. So what I do, I just take a flight. Plain and simple. Take me a freaking flight and get out the way. The crane is on the way coming. Watch it. But guys, I just didn't feel like working. You know, I just needed a break from the truck. I needed to get off the truck. I needed to regroup. So guess where we went? We went to New York, and guess who's coming with me? You are coming with me to New York. To all the people that go to New York and know what New York is about, you know. But for the ones that probably never make it to New York, if you're from a small city, small town, small country town like I'm from, a lot of people don't get to go nowhere, man. That's all they know is country. That's it. But like I said, guys, sometimes I just need a regroup. I just need a peace of mind. I just need to get off this truck, and I just need to do something. And we went to New York. I'm about to bring you on the ride with me to New York. Enjoy the footage, enjoy the V-roll. Just enjoy the video, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment down below and tell your boy what's up. Happy Friday, guys. I wish you a great weekend. Enjoy, be safe, and I'll see you back here on Monday. Oh, matter of fact, I might see you Saturday. You just never know. Sometimes I just be on my grind. I just want to get on my grind and never get off my grind. But sometimes I need a break, and sometimes I just get on the plane and go to New York. Let's go, man. I don't even know what's going on. I don't know where I'm at, bro. Like, this is crazy. Like a ship over there. I don't know. Trash. I don't know. We just walking, bro. If you from New York, tell me where I'm at. I don't know where I'm at, dog. I'm just out here sightseeing. It's clean over here, though. I don't see no trash over here.
Yeah.
Where we at right now?
Bruh. The Aki weight.
We're at the Aki weight. Yeah, the 7 pound weight. I'm about to gain 7 pounds. Yeah, so they've been free all the time instead of spending every time we go through the freaking train. Oh, we probably came out cheaper doing that, bro.
Shit, we probably still can.
Yeah, because I'm tired of tapping.
Yeah, me too. Shit. Like $2.90.
Yeah, every time you get on the train, yeah.
We spend like $8.
Yeah. And that's just the day. Tomorrow, you still got to do the same thing. Y'all got me out here in the park, and we just went to this place called Cut Slices, man. And I'm telling you, hey, I thought I was about to go in there and get me a little pepperoni and cheese, you know. Cause you know I'm simple, you know what I mean? But bro, look at this here. Look at this, look at this, look at this now. God. I'll let y'all know how it was though. I'll let y'all know. Give me a minute. Crazy. Give me that sound. Man, this is like a mall. This is like a mall. It's crazy. Man, they got must be food because I smell food in here. And it's hang. Port Authority. You're going to jail, buddy. You're going to jail.
It's crazy to be here. So I know it looks stupid outside. Then we might have should have went outside.
Oh snap! She doing the video. Okay, let me get her my video. YouTube, y'all see her? Got a good modern going on. Okay. Okay, girl. Okay. Yeah, this junk, this crazy. It look totally different. We're on our way to New Jersey, man. We done hung out all day in New York. Dirty ass. But we on our way to Jersey City, man. About to take the PATH train to Jersey City. Hey, I'm tired of walking. Oh, but guys, that pizza was good. My favorite out of the two I had was the barbecue and chicken. It's crazy, right? To be pizza, but that was my favorite. But yeah, we're about to get on this. PATH trains to New Jersey. Tired, man. Colorado game come on tonight. Y'all already know what it is. Colorado all day. Y'all already know we finna do it. We finna go what, 5-2? Yeah, 5-2. You already know. Yep. And
it look like we still in New York.
Yeah, it look like. And just like that, we in Jersey already. God, dog. Look at that view though. That's crazy.
Just right there.
Long way for them crunchy roads, man. Long way for them dirt roads, dog. All right, when somebody done got stuck in the elevator, they got the EMS, the fire truck, everybody out here. I'm just trying to go sit down, man. I'm tired of walking. You know, somebody bring me a bike, bring me a scooter. Hell, bring me my truck.
Bring me my BMW.
I'm telling you. Anyway, man, it's night and day between New York and New Jersey. It's safe to say that I like New Jersey way more than New York. It is. But it is what it is, man. My camera about to die, so catch y'all in a minute.
Next day.
Look at this shit here. This shit is going all the way up. But anyway, man, I'm back with another video, man. All I ask you to do is like, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment down below and tell you about what's said then. I'm in New York, man. I'm just giving y'all some B-roll footage of the time I had in New York. Had one H-E-double-L at a time. And, you know, just hanging out in New York, man. So here come the footage. Enjoy the footage. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yo, I bet nobody can tell me what movie this place was in.
I think two.
2 movies? You know 2 movies?
Home Alone 2.
Home Alone 2?
And The Day After Tomorrow.
Day After Tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, so of course it wouldn't be, you know, it wouldn't be right if I come all the way to New York and don't pay my respect to the people that lost their lives in New York. You know what I mean? So every time I come to New York, though, I gotta come out here. World Trade Center. So right over there, so Marcus, right over there, that's where the building was at that the plane ran into.
They ran into right over here.
Oh, that's crazy. And they rebuilt it. They rebuilt.
And then the main building right here, where everything just collapsed.
Oh, this was the main building sitting on this right here.
Remember, it was 2.
Oh, yeah. All right, let me flip the camera around for y'all, man. These are the people that, dang, I'm in this plastic bag, in this trash bag. Don't get me wrong, I'm trying not to get wet. But these for the people that can't come to New York, may never get an opportunity to come to New York. But I feel like this is important for you to see, man, because it's special to me. So I'm gonna share it with you. Let's go.
Yeah, it's easy. When we finish this, then we'll go. Okay.
Oh, it's crazy, man. Whole thing. This is where the building was, right? These are all the names that the people lost their lives. You know? Your cousin on the other side? His name? Oh, wow. So these were the buildings, the 2 buildings was sitting at. You know? And this is crazy, man.
And that's the building they built to replace it.
Where?
Okay.
That's the one that ran in front of me?
Yeah.
So this the building that they built to replace the World Trade Center. That's a tall building, man. I don't know how many floors in that building. Yeah. It's,
Okay, it used to be the tallest building in the hood.
yeah.
Well, in America.
Wow. Yeah. God bless everybody, man. So we done made it to the other side. Got all the names. This thing go all the way around, man. All the names of the people, all the names of the people that lost their lives. All the way around. This thing go all the way around, man. So it's for the people that probably never get a chance to come to New York to see this. When this happened, man, I was in middle school. It's crazy. My second time out here seeing this. I feel like every time I come to New York, I want to come out here and see this, man, because this history, man. All you hear is people blowing horns, man. Windy out here today. Oh, yesterday was nice. It was sunny, it was hot. But today is raining. I'm flying back to Atlanta tonight. Huh? That's crazy. That's a tall building, man. So is that an office space building? Yeah. It's crazy. It done stopped raining. We in Times Square. Man, I'm just walking. My feet hurt, bro. I'm tired of walking. But anyway, for the people that probably never make it here, there you go, dog. Hold on.
In the street.
We live on the pier right now, man. Where we at, G? Hoboken? Hoboken, man. Jersey. It's a nice view, man. Got the yachts out here. Got them yachts out here, man.
It's clean.
Yeah, it's clean. I like it out here in New Jersey way more than New York, though.